About this item, compatible with all for Samsung Series TV including 2022, 2021, 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017 Series TV. Simple universal remote. Small and compact size makes this remote control easy to grip and uneasy to slip. Easy to use, no programming or setting up required. Farther transmitting distance, stable performance. Replaces your damaged or old one and covers all the functions of the original remote. This universal remote control uses two AAA batteries. Batteries are not included. Please put new batteries inside. USA Amazon warehouse shipping, fast delivery. All delivery usually ships within 2 to 3 days. Especially for Samsung remote model, BN59-01315A, BN59-01315J, BN59-01301A, BN59-01175 and BN59-01199F, A59-00741A, A59-00786A, A59-00602A, BN59-01247A, A59-00743A, BN59-01175B, A59-00818A, A59-00603A, BN59-01199G, A59-00622A, A59-00496A, A59-01180A, A59-00666A, A59-00600A, etc. in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item, compatible with all for Samsung Series TV including 2022,